Hey, good morning, guys. So this is my quick morning video, real quick. What we did yesterday, we came down to very critical support. This was our monthly CPR high that we came down, tagged, bounced off of yesterday. We rallied off of it since. Typically, when the last day of the month you tag a critical support like that, that sets the tone for the first part of the next month to actually tag out again. So be quite mindful of that. We are below VWAP, but we are currently above our yesterday's what yesterday's CPR developed at. So we're currently trading above yesterday's CPR. So be mindful of that. So going into today's trading, it's still 45 minutes to the open. That could all change. Typically, though, you're at least going to be testing this at the first part of the following month since you've already tested it once. So be mindful of that in today's trading. Things happening this morning. AI is down almost 20% this morning. This here is one of the beneficiaries from the whole AI explosion in the market, that the massive divergence in tech. Whenever you see something like this, that's probably going to bode bad for companies like Microsoft. You know, we have to be mindful that the AI could be completely out of favor today, and companies like Microsoft could be punished because they've been run up so much based off this whole AI theme. See this run up here on AI, this whole AI theme. So we have to be quite mindful that you know uh, that this run might be coming to an end. So our monthly CPR takes us down to the 325.60 area, monthly CPR high, and here we are starting a new month. That and that is there's a 150% retrace that in that zone too, that right around the 126, 125 area. So be mindful of that in today's trading. We might be coming easily back down into that zone uh, based off of what's happening in this whole AI thing. So I'm leaning early on here bearish for that. Okay, and if you go out my other charts, uh, this is another indicator. I use these moving averages on the 20 minutes. So we're opening bearish on Microsoft. Okay, so I always try to look at that. If you look at SPY, you know, we're opening bearish on SPY. So that helps confirm my sentiment uh, for the initial move in the markets. So the biggest problem we did bounce off of a critical support area. Can they hold it? I don't know. But like I said, the jobs numbers were really hot. Now, what I was wanting to get into is the bonds. So initially this morning, see, we've got a rally in our bonds, the ZNs. The jobs numbers come out and they rallied bonds. That means driving yields down. So we had a hot jobs number, but they're crushing yields. So, that is not going, in my opinion, in favor with the whole bearish thesis. So we definitely got to keep this in the back of our mind. See, ZNs are rallying hard. ZBs rallying hard. Slash ZFs rallying hard. So that's the theme that really contrarian theme here. You want I'm trying to think that the charts currently are looking bearish, but the bonds are not supporting that thesis in my opinion. Okay. Some other things I'm looking at here. So basically, let me go over here to SPY first. SPY, in my opinion, below 418. Below 418, we need to lean to the bearish side for a move down to 415 area. Okay, so be mindful of that. 418. Below that, we should be looking for 415. Bullish above, so that's currently what we're trading. And then the Qs, 348 is your line in the sand. Above that, you should be looking to the bullish side. Below that, you should be looking to the bearish side. Okay, so be mindful of those two levels going into today's session. Okay, I will see you guys trading. I'm off work today, so looking to trade with you guys today.